All right, so what you are looking at is something known as a Tangle table, okay? And what this is a giant multiplication puzzle. So what you are going to attempt to do is you are going to attempt to write the numbers 3 through 12 just once across the top and down the side, using the pieces of the puzzle to kind of help you as you go. So I'm going to help walk through the first one, and hopefully the second one will make more sense. So you want to look for things that have two clues in it. Okay. So for instance, I'm going to look at the numbers 35 and 30. So when I look at this row right here, I want to know what number goes into both 35 and 30. So again, I have a multiplication chart over here, and I know that 7 goes into 35, but 7 does not go into 30. But 30 and 35, the number 5 goes into both of them. So in my uh, Tangle table, right, I would put a 5 up at top because 5 times 7 gives me 35. And then 5 times 6 gives me my number 30. Now, you can go ahead and use that clue now to look, does 35 and 42. So if I look at 35 and 42, again, 7 goes into both of those numbers, and 7 times what gives you 42? That number is 6. Notice that 6 times 7, 42. 6 times what gives you 18? 3. So again, you're kind of using your puzzle, and notice that no more numbers are in the row of 18, no more numbers are in the row of 42 and 18. So I have to move to another row. So I can look at the number 33. So 33, I know, is the number 3 times 11. Now I can't put 3 down here because notice I already have a number 3. So what I could do is I could put 11 right here. And if I put 11 here, that means that my 3 would go on top. Okay. So again, you want to use these clues to kind of help you along the way. So again, I have no more clues for 33, so maybe I jump to 48. Now, 48 is in the same row as 144. Well, 144, that's a great number because it's made up of the same number twice, and that's 12 and 12. 12 times what gives you 48? So I come over to 12 and I get the number 4. So again, notice that none of my numbers repeat on either side. Okay, so once you have filled out your chart, then what you are going to do is fill out your multiplication tables, right? So I could do this. I can say, what is 7 times 12? And 7 times 12 is 84, so I'd fill that out. 7 times 3 gives you 21, right? I could say 6 times 6, that gives me 36. 3 times 3, that gives me 9. 3 times 12, 36, and 15. So notice that I'm filling out my chart kind of as I go. So the goal, so 55, and so forth. So the goal is once you get all the numbers down in your column and all the numbers across, right, you'll be able to fill out your multiplication chart. So basically, it's just a jumbled multiplication chart. Okay. I wish you guys the best of luck with this.